Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven. Let me set the scene. You wake up in the morning ready to cook that perfect breakfast. You crack an egg into your pan, and instead of a smooth flip, it sticks, tears apart, and by the time you scrape it out, half your meal is ruined. Or worse, you're left scrubbing your pan for 15 minutes just to get it clean. We've all been there, and honestly, it takes the joy right out of cooking. But what if I told you the right frying pan could change all that? In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best nonstick frying pans on Amazon in 2025. These aren't just your average pans. They're built to make cooking easier, faster, and a whole lot more fun. We'll go from number 5 to number 1, breaking down the pros, the cons, who they're best for, and why they deserve a spot in your kitchen. And the best part? All the Amazon Best Deals links for every single pan are right down in the description, so you can grab the one that fits your lifestyle without hunting for it. All right, let's get cooking, starting with number 5. Number 5. Ninja C3026 Foodie Neverstick Premium Fry Pan. Kicking off our list at number 5, we've got the Ninja Foodie Neverstick Premium Fry Pan. If you've ever bought a nonstick pan that worked great for the first few months, but then slowly lost its magic, you know how frustrating that can be. Ninja designed this pan specifically to solve that problem. Thanks to its hard anodized construction and unique coating process, the Neverstick surface is engineered to resist chipping, peeling, or flaking, even at high temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can sear a steak on the stovetop and then finish it in the oven without worrying about damaging the pan. The pan itself heats evenly, so no more dealing with hot spots where your food burns on one side and stays raw on the other. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a huge bonus if you hate hand-washing cookware. Another great feature is its versatility. It's strong enough for heavy-duty cooking, but still slick enough for delicate foods like eggs, pancakes, or fish. Now let's talk downsides. It's a little heavier than your average nonstick pan, which might be uncomfortable for some people, especially if you like tossing veggies or flipping food one-handed. And while the nonstick is excellent, like any pan, you'll get the best performance if you stick to wooden or silicone utensils instead of metal. Best for home chefs who want durability and versatility without constantly replacing pans. Not ideal for people who prefer lightweight cookware or who don't use their oven much. Overall, the Ninja Foodie Neverstick is perfect if you're tired of flimsy nonstick pans that don't last. It's designed to give you years of reliable performance. Check it out in the link down below. Number 4. Sensarte Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet. Coming in at number 4 is the Sensarte Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet, and let me tell you, this one is all about healthy, everyday cooking. It features a Swiss granite coating that's not only beautiful to look at, but also PFOA-free, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals sneaking into your food. It's a great option if you're looking for a balance between affordability, performance, and style. What I love about this pan is how evenly it heats. Whether you're cooking an omelet, sautéing veggies, or pan-frying chicken, the granite coating ensures your food doesn't stick, and cleanup is as easy as a quick wipe. It's also super lightweight, which makes it perfect for people who don't want to lug around heavy cookware. Plus, the ergonomic handle stays cool while you're cooking, so no burnt fingers. Of course, no pan is perfect. The Sensarte Skills isn't built for extremely high heat cooking. If you're into searing steaks or doing stir-fry at restaurant-level heat, this might not be the one for you. It performs best at medium heat, which is honestly fine for most home cooking, but worth noting. Best for health-conscious cooks, students, or families who want an affordable, easy-to-use everyday pan. Not ideal for high-heat searing or professional-style cooking. If you want a budget-friendly pan that looks good, cooks evenly, and makes cleanup a breeze, the Sensarte Skillet is a fantastic choice. Plus, it gives you that premium granite look without the premium price tag. Links in the description if you want to check it out. Number 3. Tramontina Professional 8-inch Frying Pan. At number 3, we've got the Tramontina Professional 8-inch Frying Pan, which is a favorite among restaurant chefs and home cooks alike. Made from heavy-gauge aluminum, this pan is built to take a beating and still deliver excellent results. What sets it apart is its reinforced nonstick coating that can withstand frequent use and still release food effortlessly. The size might seem small at just 8 inches, but don't let that fool you. This is the perfect everyday pan for cooking eggs, small stir-fry, or even reheating leftovers. It heats up quickly and evenly, so your food cooks consistently without hot spots. The handle, with its signature red grip, isn't just for style. It's comfortable, stays cool, and gives you excellent control whether you're flipping or stirring. One of the best things about the Tramontina pan is how easy it is to clean. It's dishwasher safe, but honestly, most of the time you'll just need to wipe it down with a paper towel. The nonstick surface is that good. It's also oven safe, which adds versatility if you like finishing dishes in the oven. The downside? The size is limiting. If you're cooking for a big family, this isn't going to cut it. You'll either need multiple pans or a larger version. Also, while it's super durable, like all nonstick cookware, you'll need to avoid metal utensils to keep that coating in top shape. Best for singles, college students, or anyone who wants a small but mighty nonstick pan. Not ideal for large families or people who often cook big meals. If you're looking for a professional quality pan that's compact, easy to handle, and reliable, Tramontina's 8-inch frying pan is a smart investment. You can find the link in the description. Number 2. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set. Taking the number 2 spot is the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, and honestly, this one is a no-brainer if you're looking for value. Instead of just one pan, you get two, one 10-inch and one 12-inch, so you're covered whether you're cooking a quick breakfast for yourself or a full dinner for the family. What really sets Tefal apart is their ThermoSpot heat indicator. This clever feature turns solid red when the pan is preheated to the perfect cooking temperature. No more guessing if the pan is hot enough for your eggs or too cold for your pancakes. The nonstick surface is top-notch as well, letting you cook with less oil and still get a smooth release every time. These pans are oven-safe up to 400 degrees and dishwasher-safe, which adds a ton of convenience. The hard anodized construction makes them durable and resistant to scratching, so you're not going to ruin them with everyday use. Of course, there are a couple of cons. The handles can get warm after long cooking sessions, so keep an oven mitt handy. And while the nonstick is tough, it still works best if you avoid sharp metal utensils. Best for families, beginner cooks, or anyone who wants multiple pans without spending a fortune. Not ideal for people who only need one specific size pan. With Tefal, you're getting proven quality, excellent performance, and 2 pans for a price that most brands charge for one. That's why it earns our number 2 spot. Links in the description if you want to grab this set. Number 1. Lodge 10.25-inch Cast Iron Skillet. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is none other than the Lodge 10.25-inch Cast Iron Skillet. This pan is legendary, and for good reason. Unlike traditional nonstick pans, cast iron builds its own natural nonstick layer over time, called seasoning. The more you use it, the better it gets. Plus, Lodge pre-seasons their skillets so you can start cooking right out of the box. What makes cast iron so special is its versatility. You can use it on the stovetop, in the oven, on the grill, or even over a campfire. It holds heat incredibly well, which makes it perfect for searing steaks, frying chicken, baking cornbread, or even making deep dish pizza. And because it's virtually indestructible, this isn't just a pan, it's an heirloom you can pass down for generations. Now, it does come with a learning curve. Cast iron requires a little more care than your average nonstick pan. You can't just throw it in the dishwasher, you'll need to wash it gently, dry it immediately, and occasionally rub it with oil to maintain that seasoning. Some people find this intimidating at first, but once you get into the routine, it becomes second nature. Best for serious home cooks, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants a pan that can truly do it all. Not ideal for people who want completely maintenance cookware. If you're looking for a pan that's built to last a lifetime, nothing beats Lodge Cast Iron. It's durable, versatile, and honestly, once you cook with it, everything else feels like a downgrade. That's why it earns the number 1 spot on my list. Link in the description if you want to get your hands on one. And there you have it, the top 5 best nonstick frying pans on Amazon in 2025. From high-tech nonstick coatings to the timeless durability of cast iron, there's truly something for every type of cook on this list. So tell me, which one of these pans would you add to your kitchen? Drop your answer in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And don't forget, all the Amazon affiliate links are waiting for you in the description, so you can check them out and grab the one that fits your needs. Thanks for spending some time with me here at Consumer Heaven. Until next time, happy cooking!